cleaning is the type of video that you enjoy and like, please do stick along. Let's clean together. You're most welcome to my video. Please do subscribe, like, and comment in the comment section. Let's start.
Oh, it's something about, just something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Oh, it's something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. And I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Cause she walk like a boss, talk like a boss, manicure and nails or something pedicure and all. She's fly effortlessly. And she move like a boss, do what a boss do. She got me thinking about getting it all. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. It's independent. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. It's independent. Pull the way to shine. It's Ooh, there's something about kind of woman that can do herself. I look at her and it makes me proud. There's something about her. Something oh so sexy about kind of woman that don't even need my help. She says she got no charge. Something about her. Cause she work like a boss, play like a boss. Car and a crib, she got to pay them both off. And the bills are paid on time. She made for the boss, only the boss. Anything that she telling them to get off. That's the girl that's on my mind. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. It's independent. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. It's independent. Pull the way to shine. It's independent. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. Oh, there's something about you. Beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. Alright. Honey came in and she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom floor. How could I forget that I had given her an extra key? All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off me. Before she turn into a killer. There's a new situation that you can't be now. Be a true player, you have to know how to play. If she say a night, convince her say a day. Never admit to a word that she say. And if she claim her, you tell her, baby, no way. But she got me on the counter. Saw me banging on the sofa. I even had her in the shower. She even caught me on camera. She saw the marks on my shoulder. Heard the words that I told her. Heard the screams getting louder. She stayed until it was over. Honey came in and she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom floor. How could I forget that I had given her an extra key? All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off me.
Come check you my boo. No time, no time.
is on probation. Another 5 years. We're bringing girls to his location. No time.
I love the way you activate your hips and push your ass out. Got a brother wanting it so bad I'm about to pass out. Wanna dig you, and I can't even lie about it, baby. Just alleviate your clothes, I'm the fly about it. Got you at the club, your hips have got me feeling. Body talking quick to me, but I can't comprehend the meaning. Now if you wanna roll with me, then here's your chance. Doing 80 on the freeway. Catch me if you can. Forgive me, I'm a rider. Still, I'm just a simple man. All I want is money plus the fame. I'm a simple man. Mr. International, playing with the passport. It's like a Latin switch. Get you anything you ask for. Either him or me. The champagne, Hennessy, favorite of my homies when we cross on our enemies. Witness as we creep to a low speed beat. What my foes need. Make some emojis for you don't need. Approaching women with a passion, been a long day. But I've been driven by attraction in a strong way. Your body is banging, baby. I love the way you're flowing. Tell me, give it to daddy sugar. Now tell me how you roll it.
You send me the location, then I'll be right there. You make her come check you, my baby. No time. And my dog is on probation. Another 5 years. We're bringing girls to his location. No time, no.
She like them boys with the big old chains. Ride around town in the big old range. I knew it when I rock big old chains. Not a little doing big old things. Would you look at that? I came back for it, just to give it to you, like you asked for it. Man, that thing in them jeans too fat for it. Rebound, so I caught off the backboard. I told her, baby girl, come here. Know I run the town even when I ain't from there. And I brag hardly, but just to show up at this party I made with your making 1 year. That's unfair, but so is life. Take a chance, roll the dice. Money can't buy your love, cause it's overpriced. Don't overthink, just hope it's right. I'm only here for the night.
If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. You make her come check you, my baby. No time, no time. And my dog is on probation. Another 5 years. We're bringing girls to his location.
Think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams. Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my
I swear the way you move your body got me feeling nice. Your waist all in my face and then I start to fantasize. I start to criticize and get to know the things you like. But love is more valuable than just what a ring could buy. I fantasize about real love. And I know the streets cold, I can't make shit up. Baby girl, you say on my mind, fulfill my fantasy.
I put you down, you're fine.
Move your waist, baby, baby girl. Move your waist, baby, baby girl. Can't contain, baby, baby girl. Wanna make you my baby, baby girl. Move your waist, baby, baby girl. Move your waist, baby, baby girl. Can't contain, baby, baby girl. Wanna make you my baby, baby girl. I swear the way you move your body got me feeling nice. Your waist all in my face and then I start to fantasize. I start to criticize and get to know the things you like. But love is more valuable than just what a ring could buy. I fantasy of love.
I've been knowing you for long enough, damn, I need you right now. You can take your time, don't have to rush, this might take us a while, yeah. I left all the doors unlocked and you said you're on your way. When you get here, don't you say a word, got no time to play. I know you think that you know me, but you ain't even seen my dark side. It's just if you only, so baby do it right, do me right. We can go all the time, we can move fast, then rewind. When you put your body on mine and collide, collide. It could be one of those nights, but we don't turn off the lights. Wanna see your body on mine and collide, collide. Baby, it's all yours if you want me, all yours if you want me. Put it down if you want me tonight. Say it's all yours if you want me, all yours if you want me. Put it down if you want me. Let's collide.
Waking up, she on it. Good love in the morning. You don't talk my cojones. I pleasure you for the moment. This don't come with no warranty. You want it but can't afford it. My world is different than yours. Your opinion of me is glory. Glorifying in all these forms. Back to Future and DeLorean. You ain't used to feeling this important. Cars imported, girls imported. Insubordinate, get deported. Baby, check my inventory. Got a whole lot in store for you. Birkin bags, purple tags. I can put a whole lot of shit on blast. Favorite Wang, Balenciaga. Baby, you ain't never too fly for that. I talk a lot of shit, cause I can back it up. She never want shit, so baby, back it up.
Mine and color.